Hi everyone, so we are going to talk really quickly about the Chrome extension Screencastify that you can use to record videos of your computer screen with a webcam embedded and easily share them to your students. So in order to get the Chrome extension, if you don't already have it, you're just going to Google Screencastify extension. It'll take you to the web store. And then all you need to do is click this blue button that yours will say add to Chrome, and it'll come up here as this little icon. So then when you have something like a book or an activity that you want to share with your students and you want to have it recorded, you will go up to the extension in your browser, click it, and there's just some really simple options. You do webcam only, so your whole screen is just going to be your webcam if you're just talking to students or showing things. You can do a browser tab if you only have one tab. I always choose desktop in case I'm switching different tabs. I have my microphone on. I'll embed a webcam. I'm not doing that right now because I'm recording this in Zoom so that I can show Screencastify. So I would select my webcam on. You can resize it, move it anywhere in the screen, and then you select record. It'll ask you again if you want to share your screen, so you select it. It'll give you a countdown. You can hide this little bar if you want to just remove that distraction. Then you can be reading to your students, Ramon loved to draw, and turning the page. You can come up here and pause it if you want to pause the recording and do something else and then come back and push play again. Or when you're all done, you can just push stop. And this window will come up. You can rename it whatever you want, which will make it easy to find in your drive. It's going to automatically save to your Google Drive. So the first time you make a Screencastify video, you're signed in with your Google account, so it will connect to your drive. It'll create this folder automatically that says Screencastify, and then you can see my video went right there into my Google Drive. So if I'm ready to just share this, I can stick it right in Google Classroom. I could publish it to YouTube. If you're going to put it in an email, or if you want to put it on Seesaw, you can say copy shareable link, and then you can just paste the link and it will share the video. If it's later on and you've closed this browser out, it's going to be in your drive. Right click, and then you can say share and add people that you want to share the video with that way. Or again, you could get the copied link here and paste that into an email. So let's also take a really quick look at this toolbar that pops up when you're in Screencastify. If you didn't remember to have your webcam embedded and then you wanted it, you can click here to have it pop up. You can draw on things and erase depending on what you want to do. Then something I really like is this focus mouse. So if you want a student to look at a specific word that you're highlighting or a picture or something, you have that option too. You can hide your cursor or highlight where you're clicking if you're sort of doing a how-to thing. So those are just some of the pretty simple features that I honestly don't use a lot. I pretty much just use it to record, but they're there if you want them. Now here I'm in Screencastify just to show you a couple of quick things. If you want to be showing two windows, because I selected desktop, it'll show both of these windows, whatever I have up on my desktop. So I can be reading my book, turning the pages, and then say, my examples, I have my AAC system pulled up here, and I can be modeling the words that I want to target. And this webcam, you can see that you can move it around to wherever makes sense in your screen. You can also make it bigger or smaller, whatever works for you. So I hope that this video is helpful. As always, let me know if you have any questions.